What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So in my last arbitrage video I talked about the arbitrage scanner and I also explained how you can basically use it, okay? And I also mentioned in my next video I'm going to be doing a live trade with the signal I'll be getting from this particular scanner, okay? So I've already checked out this particular pair. They were actually explained it in my previous video. So if you want to basically know how to use this arbitrage scanner, I'll be dropping the video in the description section below. You can check it out to give you a basic guide on how to use the arbitrage scanner, okay? So right now, after checking out this pair, which is the HANA/USDT, which I'll be buying on the Mexc crypto exchange, and I'll go and sell it on Gate exchange, okay? So basically currently this have about 3% profit margin, but we'll still check that out because the market is still moving and the network fee is actually low. Network fee is about 0.3 USDT and the network we'll be using for this is the BNB, okay? So I'll just go right straight to it before this opportunity actually sees. All right, so we're going to start with the buy exchange, which is going to be the Mexc. So I've already come to the pair right here. Now I'm going to be purchasing these, okay? I'll be buying 100 USDT of this token on the Mexc. So I'll click on the buy HANA and then we'll buy this. Here we go, we've successfully bought the token and we have about 1590 HANA tokens, okay? So we're going to be withdrawing these right now to our Gate crypto exchange. So I'll click on the withdraw button right here. Then I'll select the HANA token and we're going to be using the on-chain withdrawal. So the network is the BNB. So right now I'll come here to Gate and I'll also deposit the token right here, okay? So you can see my current balance right now on Gate. So right now I'll select it and we're going to search for the HANA token. So we have it here. So I'm going to copy the wallet address and come here and paste it right here. So we're going to select the network, which is the BNB. So we want to send everything, and because of the network fees, this is the amount of HANA we'll be getting in our Gate crypto exchange, okay? So I'll click on the confirm button right here and I'll confirm the withdrawal, okay? So we just need to complete some verification. The withdrawal is currently processing, okay? Right now I'll come over to Gate where I'm going to be expecting this deposit. All right, so we're just going to come back here to our dashboard and wait for it to enter. And here we go. If you check out the last deposit I just received right here, here's the HANA token in my Gate crypto exchange, okay? So I'm just going to go and trade it now. Guys, as you can see right now, we're already in profit, okay? So I just need to sell this real quick to actually lock it in. You can see this token is actually moving very fast right here. So we need to sell this. I want to sell HANA, okay? So we're currently selling with the limit order and it has executed, guys, okay? It has executed. This is it right here. This is the trade. We sold our HANA token for 100.8 USDT, okay? And if we head back to Mexc, let's check out how much we bought this. The trade history on Mexc, we bought this with 99.9 USDT and we sold on Gate for 100.8 USDT, okay? So if you subtract everything with the network fees, we actually made profit by performing this arbitrage in this video, okay? So let's check out how much profit we made on this. So we sold this for 100.88. So we subtract the buy price, we actually made about 0.98 USDT profit on this, okay? So remember, we are also charged a network fee of 0.3. So this is the total profit we made from this arbitrage. And if the opportunity is still there, it's still an arbitrage, we can still perform again. All right, but then when it comes to cross exchange arbitrage, the opportunity is very slim, so that's why you need to actually make use of it as quick as possible, okay? And there are a lot of other arbitrage opportunities right here on Arbitrage Scanner, okay? All you need to do is to check it out. And if you simulate that and find out that you're in profit, you found out that the trading volume is okay, the liquidity in that market is okay, you can actually dive into it with your real funds, okay? So this is another live arbitrage right here, and I'll still be making more live arbitrage to still help a lot of people understand how arbitrage work, okay? And if I'd actually waited a little bit more, I could have sold at a much more higher price because this token is actually going very high right here on Gate.io, okay? So basically, in most of my live arbitrage, I don't usually have time to explain a lot of things because, you know, the time is limited. You need to buy quickly and sell quickly so as to make profit. And looking at this, we actually made not a bad profit, but we could have made more if we waited a little bit. But sometimes if you still wait a little bit, you could have run into a loss also, okay? So you just need to be quick with it and, you know, lock in your profit. All right, I'm looking at the price of this token right here on Mexc. I'm looking at the price on Gate. You can see the price on Gate is still very high. So this is an arbitrage. I will still like to try again. Okay. So I'm just going to end this video right now, and I hope you find this very helpful. Okay. And if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.